What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be checking out a case for the Sony Xperia 1. This is the Kqimi super thin hard plastic case. It comes in several different colors. I chose red. Simple packaging. The cost of this is $6. You can pick that on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description below. The reason why I chose this one is because the sides for the buttons are completely open, so that way you can still get the natural tactileness of those buttons and the pressing and half press of the camera shutter, and plus it's thin, so I thought the red would actually accent the black color quite nicely. Give the phone a quick wipe down, slapped on, and of course there we go. As you know, this is not going to provide drop protection. This is strictly just for scratch protection from surfaces, your pocket. The tops and bottom are completely open, as you see there. Just as I expected, access to all the buttons feels great. Still have access to your fingerprint scanner on the side right there. There's nothing prohibiting you accessing any of these buttons or the fingerprint scanner. The back, there is a slight bump around the camera, so you'll still have some protection for the camera at least. And yeah, there's no real drop protection or glass front lip that comes around, so any sort of screen protector you have on this will just work just fine. So again, it comes in red, black, there is a blue I believe, and then like a rose kind of pinkish color, or a green one, but check that out in the link in the description. It is actually quite easy to get on and off just like that, no issues there. But I wonder how long this is going to last, if any of the corners are going to crack after taking it on and off, but we'll see. If you guys have any questions on this case, let me know down below as always. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.